Wow!
Alright, well, this is gonna be the order of activities for
Dance
the
daw si Ube, dance.
First off, for the egress, that's gonna be on the technical team, and of course the set design. We'll be sending you the final design later this afternoon. Sige, for concept para complete na tayo
Oh.
with the product. And then, of course, we'll
Tanggal
be
na.
with your stage. Kaya bahala.
Oh, give mo kay Nainay, dali. Ayusin ni Nainay.
And then, what
Dali.
we do is gonna be
Akin na.
presenting the complete profile. We're done with that.
Ay, very
And then,
good.
we'll be moving on to the presentation
Ah,
of the
dali.
workshop.
Ayos natin.
We're gonna be outcome na this work.
Ano isang paa mo?
For that.
Hindi yan. Isang paa. Isang paa.
Brief them, so okay na tayo dyan. And then,
Yan.
Q&A, we're
Ay,
trying to cover
ikaw na magsuot?
everything, trying to make sure that we've covered all possible questions para syempre cleared na tayo dyan. And then, of course, the address is gonna be on us.
Ay,
Any more questions?
Sino?
If more,